Ladies and gentlemen, this is the green Parrot. Okay, oh my God, look at the color on that. They got a gorgeous color, man. Wow. Okay, so start off with some vodka. Come behind with some rum, some coconut rum. Okay, just like a little spoonful. Okay, some dry vermouth. Okay, we going real exotic here. Okay, all right. And then a little bit of creme de cacao. Shit, what kind of measuring you doing with this spoon? Okay, because you look like you're over pouring into the damn spoon. A little bit of orange juice. Some blue curacao. Are you watching the measuring on this? You know? And then she shakes. Okay, she's sitting next to me, people. She kind of quiet here, but I'm just looking at her measurements. They're interesting. Look at the color though. The color on that is just amazing. Orange slice, and we are good to go. Okay, I gotta give this one a little sip. All right. It's different, but it's fun, and I love the color. Stay tipsy, friends. For more of your drinks, come to tipsybartender.com. I love it.